Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove smart chips in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser, log into your correct accounts, and select and open up those Google Sheets you would like to remove any smart chips from, all right? Then here, this is what smart chips looks like. They have like a circular gray bubble on them around the text. So in order to remove them, you can just highlight the cell and right click on it. Here, if we're going to scroll down, you will have the option to select smart chips and right here, remove smart chips. So just click on that and boom, it's done. It will revert back to whatever it was once. In order to undo this, just go ahead and press undo or control Z and it will go back to normal. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.